way I consume this is medicinal reasons only. This is not to be used every day. Don't do it. Use it for topical reasons. Use it for expectorant reasons, such as pulling phlegm out of your throat to help phlegm come up out of there. Or if you have a cough spell that came out of nowhere and it seemed like it's progressing, consider whatever invader that came in is trying to creep down and is not letting up off of you. So when you use a small capful of this, I guarantee you, you will see a huge transformation in the blink of an eye.